Hello, beautiful souls. Namaste. Those who are new here, welcome to the channel. I'm here for you for the another reading. This is a general timeless reading for the collective. So take only what resonates and leave the rest. But if you're interested in one-on-one personal readings, you can always contact me for further inquiries. If you're liking the videos, please do share and subscribe to the channel. Press the bell icon for further notifications. So without any delays, let's check out what's going on here. I think you're feeling mentally trapped here, and those limiting beliefs, and you are fearing something here. You are limited. The mindset is limited actually. You're feeling stuck and restricted, and especially in your thoughts. This is all in your mind. So this shows overthinking or maybe doubting yourself, possibly due to fear of judgment or what will be the consequences of certain things. Okay, you're thinking that. So in terms of your work or in general, if we see life, you may be paralyzed by fear, and this all basically reveals your problems in career and that mental intellectual basically in your workplace and career. So it shows that frustration and most extreme kind of panic, because you're finding it impossible to do your work. Okay, and you're not being satisfied due to maybe unreasonable demands at your workplace, or maybe those projects coming in, or disorganized management at your workplace. So there may be a sense of conversation going on behind closed doors also. This shows, and you are being left out, you're not invited there. So it's also showing you are feeling isolated and even vulnerable here. Okay, so this mainly, this sorts arises to show someone who is in a role that doesn't suit them. So maybe you're under pressure, and working in that job or whatever profession you're working in, you're not loving it. Okay, it's out of some pressure or forcefully you're doing it. Okay, this the whatever job you're doing, this role doesn't suit you at all. Okay, so you may be thinking of switching your job or changing your profession here. So in that way, you lack confidence and you are feeling restricted, maybe because of money matters, your finances, and this is like toxic work environment also. Okay, feeling unable to leave. So you have ideas and ambitions definitely, but you have this fear of failure or rejection here. Okay, so this is a although good thing. If you want to change your job right now is a good time, because you have so much good things coming up for you. Okay, in the next card. So you're not supposed to be staying in a job or a profession where you're feeling restricted or powerless. Okay, especially this is your mental condition. Okay, you're mentally stressed, so you're overthinking and doubting yourself. That's one thing, and possibly due to whatever the consequences will be if you leave this job. But you don't have to worry about that, because you have the justice card, and you will be rewarded of whatever the hard work you're putting in, based off your past actions. So in this workplace, this may relate to an evaluation, maybe promotions, and maybe legal contracts. Some are there. So if someone wronged you, or doing that backstabbing or something, playing false with you, so things will be balanced, and peace will be restored here. So you need to stay ethical, and stay and don't do immoral things. Okay, out of being overwhelmed and tensed. Okay, there is also a little confusion and maybe deception, that delusional you know mindset, and you might be feeling uncertain or anxious, stuck in that fog right now, but possibly due to that unclear communication and emotional overwhelm is there. So moon card is showing that hidden agendas. So definitely office politics is going on. That's a big reason, major issue. So you need to trust your intuition here. Okay, don't rely just solely on feelings. Just seek facts also. Things are not what they seem actually. Okay, also we have got this other deck cards also. So I think beat around the bush is telling you are not being direct. Important issues are being avoided here. So maybe a boss who won't address a problem or maybe you are hesitating from your end to confront someone. So this creates that emotional and professional tension at your workplace. That's for sure. Okay, so a significant discussion is definitely upcoming because we have meeting adults. Okay, so possibly with your leaders, your HR maybe, or a client, you if you are in that business. So even a heart to heart, personal conversation is required here. Okay, so this is a very crucial moment, opportunity to clear misunderstandings. Okay, honesty is the key here. So apply that when you communicating. Also, this alcoholic card symbolize, escape, avoiding responsibility. So definitely you are tensed here and you are, involving in this substance abuse here. So that's not a good sign here. Okay, that's not a way to distract yourself. Okay, if workaholism is disturbing you. Okay, so to numb, that discomfort you have, you are moving to that. But in work it can indicate toxic environment also, or someone avoiding their accountability here. Okay, but you may be holding on to guilt and regret or embarrassment. Okay, perhaps due to some mistakes at work, or poor judgment in a person relationships at work. So don't let shame keep you stuck here. Okay, uh we have this shameful card, so acknowledge it, but acknowledge whatever the mistakes you have done, but release it. Don't carry it forward. Okay, because you have the sunrise definitely after that moon illusion, you have the sunrise happening for you. So the darkest part is behind you now, and after confusion and the deception, a new beginning, a new breakthrough is coming for you definitely. Okay, so you will gain the clarity about a certain situation, and especially if you have been lost, or doubting your direction where you were moving, so that will be gone soon. Okay, uh just be alert of manipulation and unethical co-workers here. Okay, don't involve in the such kind of office politics. Okay, uh this might be spreading rumors, or some kind of information is withholding someone, or working against you secretly. But however, truth will come out definitely on the sunrise. So justice is on your side here. Okay, so you don't have to worry about that. So a review meeting or a certain meeting will lead to clarity and recognition of your valued soul. So just know that and keep working, keep putting your hard work here. Okay, avoid escapism if you're being given any responsibility. So accept that. Okay, don't deny and escape from that. Okay, or also emotional decisions. So stay grounded and stay ethical here. Your patience and integrity will definitely pay you off soon. Okay, so truth clears the fog here. Don't run from it. Face it with courage. Okay, what's hidden will come to light, and your value will be recognized soon. So from the shadows to silence to this sunrise, you are moving on good path. Okay, so that's what I have for you guys. Hope you will gain and some insights from this. Thank you for watching. Meet you next time. Namaste.